Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my brand new Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize the watch face by using your own personal and favorite pictures. Okay, so it's real simple to do. But first of all, you will need to have imported your pictures from your smartphone over onto the smartwatch. If you don't know how to do that, I will leave a link to my simple tutorial in the description down below. Be sure to check it out. Okay, so once you've got the pictures installed on your smartwatch, all you have to do is just long press on the display and then just swipe across to My Photo Plus, select Customize, and you will see this little plus sign there. Okay, so go ahead and select it, select Add Photo, and it will bring you straight into the gallery where you have all your pictures saved. And then just select the picture that you want to set as your background. So I'm going to choose this one here. And then hit OK. And then hit OK again. And now you have these options here, background. So you can change the background. We have color. So you can change the time color, the color of the time, sorry. Okay. If you swipe across again, you can change the font. And once you're done, just go ahead and hit OK. And as you can see, I now have my favorite picture set as my wallpaper. Okay, you can also do this through the Galaxy Wearable application on your phone. So if you open it up, you will see your current watch face. And if you select Customize, we have the background option and the color options, so you can change the color through this application. And you can change the font through the application and then just hit save when you're done. So yeah guys, this is just my video showing you how to add your favorite pictures to your watch face on the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. If it helped you out, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, also share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Deuces. Okay guys, one last thing. If you're wondering how to remove the picture from the watch, just go back into the Galaxy Wearable application. Go to Customize. And then this little round circle here with the little red line going through, just select it. And then hit save. And as you can see now, the watch face has now returned back to its default picture. And all you have to do is just go back into the watch face customization options by long pressing on the display there. Go to customize, and then to add another picture, just select add photo, and you can choose any other picture in the gallery to add. And you have to do this each time if you want to change the background. So I thought I'd just throw that in there for you guys if you was wondering how to remove the background picture and change it to another one. So anyway, it's your boy the Android Doctor, and that's it for the video. Like I said, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Also share the video. I'm out. Deuces.